Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Today I'm going to start a series on estate planning basics. Before I do that, if you'd like to ask me any questions about your estate plan or any issues with elder law, please go to callfrankbruno.com. Estate planning basics. Well, what's an estate plan? An estate plan, in the simplest terms, is all of your stuff, all of your belongings, real, personal, anything that you own, and how does it get where you want to go, okay? So that's an estate plan, and I've had an entire video on that. Just very briefly and basically, it's everything that you own and how does it get to whoever you want it to get to, right? Okay, so today the first conversation we're going to have is about doing nothing. Well, certainly you could do nothing. The state of New York has a plan for you. Every state has a plan for you. It's called the laws of intestacy. So if a person dies without a will, they are intestate. I-N-T-E-S-T-A-T-E. And the laws of intestacy take care of where your belongings go and who it goes to. Now, as an estate planning attorney, I don't recommend to many people that you do nothing, but sure, you could do nothing, and that might be a fine plan for you if you don't have a large estate and you don't have a lot of heirs. So it could very well be an A-OK plan for you. Now, if a person has a spouse and no will, and no heirs, no other children, so just husband and wife, no children, and if either predeceases the other, that the person, the second, the last man or woman standing, will inherit. If a husband and wife have children, well, the surviving spouse will inherit the first $50,000 and half of the estate. So if they had 3 children, husband passes away, wife would receive the first $50,000, and if there's 3 kids, the wife would receive the first $50,000 and then split whatever was remaining with her 3 children. She would get 50%, the children will get 50%. So if you have children, you might not want to pass away intestate, especially if they're minors, right? Because then, in my example, the wife would be sharing with her 3 minor children. So that's not such a good strategy. Now, if you'd like to talk about, so today is part 1, and I'm going to go through intestate, dying without a will. I'll discuss joint tenancy. I'll discuss simple wills, and I'll discuss trusts. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please go to Call Frank Bruno. Thank you very much.